National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:23 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Highland Park to near Hoffman Estates, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, Highland Park, Wilmette, and Vernon Hills. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 20 and 41. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 294 between mile markers 20 and 41. Interstate 355 between mile markers 27 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall and flooding are also occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.